Bangalore Baptist Hospital, care is not built by one person. It is built through many hands, compassionate hearts, and one shared mission: preserving life with excellence and grace. On this Labor Day, we celebrate the hands, hearts, and dedication of every staff member at Bangalore Baptist Hospital.
Life is not about living longer, it's about living better.
Happy Labour's Day.
We care for every patient with compassion, commitment, and care.
We support every diagnosis, every recovery, and every step towards healing.
We nurture healing with healthy meals.
Happy Labour's Day.
We listen, guide, and support during life's difficult moments.
We prepare future nursing graduates with knowledge and compassion.
Together we work, together we care.
Happy Labour's Day.
ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Thanking God for each one of you. Have a blessed May Day. God bless.
Thank you to all our staff for your dedication and hard work. May God bless all our efforts.
God has designed the humanity in such a manner that we will work with our hands. There is joy in working with all our heart. Happy Labour's Day.
Different roles, different responsibilities, one mission: caring for life. This Labor Day, we honor every individual whose hard work makes healing possible.
We are BBS.